Halor ke jingkul mar ke bami ha Maikhuli ha ke distrik Ribhoi ha ke bere ke jingthong i post elektrik usumut menteri rang ba ke jela ba Prestone tensong ule tho ba ke jinglong jingman manta kala long ke ba Shngaiñ ule tho ba ke ni ke jingkul mar ke lami na ke jing stho bakla ha pning ginong shnong ka asam bat Meghalaya ula kedo ba adu bala thaw gi regional committee na baro arliang ke jingede pedeng asam bat Meghalaya kala khamba Uli tu bagi orang senang dengan negatan kila persya aging thong ya ki post slide hendai dan hadian ba deputy commissioner ke Ribhoi ule kendo yo deputy commissioner ke Kamrup ba thaw ke peace committee ya kene ke jing lala ban penbet banta ka kam thong ya kini post electric kali ya chikaman.
It's happening everywhere where the misunderstanding takes place. But again, let me tell you one thing. Right from that time when we constituted this regional committee in both sides of the state, we could see lot of improvement has happened. And in Maikhuli, I think we have seen it that the residents of Assam, they did not allow erection of a electric pole in that area. But ultimately, we have instructed our DC to have a meeting with his counterpart, and even not only that, we went ahead by having a peace committee of those villages, and now everything is resolved, and even the erection of the electric pole is allowed.